Okay. Hi. This is William. Yes. This is the unboxing video of this box. This guy right here. Yep, his name is Don Newcombe Ball, and he's a Dodger. You can see the box. It's really nice art. Look at him. He's great. A great Dodger. And look at that, more over here. If you wanna collect these, you can. If you wanna see up close, you could feel free. If you're watching this, and then the other side too. Okay. Now let's do this. So, sorry, I had to do this. Okay. Here we go. See, and I can do this, and then like so. Got that out. There we go. Oh, don't touch your head. And here it is. It's a bobblehead. Don Newcombe. Every it's not mine. I call him Newcombe Ball or New Ball or something because I like the name, and his real name is Donald Newcombe Ball. No, okay. Oh, Newcombe Ball, or just Newcombe. Got it. Okay, so his name is Newcombe.
You should delete that one and start over again.
Well, it's okay. I got this. So anyway, so he's a good Dodger. He is the 36.
He just had his 91st birthday.
He had got his 91st birthday, and he is a great pitcher. You can tell because you see his mitt. I will see out close. Okay, you can see his mitt. You can see the ball inside. Oh, turn around. You can't see it, but you can see a little white. That's the ball. Yes. So here we go. So this is him, our greatest Dodger, the legend, Donald Newcombe. That's all. And follow guys. If you want to comment this video, you could comment it, or if you want to subscribe it, you can. If you like it so much, push the like button down below. So that's all, and bye.